could get crushed here.
Yeah, come straight to me. All right, now go that way a little bit. Okay, come off this ledge and then crank it that way. Real slow, yeah.
Yeah, you're
good, man. Crank. You're good, man. All right, now come towards me. You're good, man. You got that.
Yeah.
Come a little bit this way, just a little. Straight to me.
Yeah.
All right, a little bit this way. All right, you're good. Come straight to me, man. Real slow. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
That's awesome.
Oh my God. That was harrowing, man. Oh my God, that was crazy.
No problem.
You're nothing but money.
Oh my God, man.
Hey, you did it better than any of those guys.
Yeah, you
Dude,
did.
That was some serious